Think about the very best relationships of your life, the ones that have come and gone, the ones that are happening right now, and the ones yet to come. The best ones have something in common. You feel truly connected with another person, perhaps connected for years, maybe just moments. Connectivity is fascinating. In fact, that fascination is the reason I teach it to audiences far and wide. It's the landscape of our lives, from where we've been to where we all are right now, impacted by who we're connected with. Lives based on the relationships we create and develop on purpose. When we connect, we change the world. My name's Ginger. I'm a speaker, trainer, and author on connectivity. I help people first figure out their purpose, their why, in serving others, to learn how to act out the fundamental human desire to connect with other people, real people, not through a screen and not at a superficial event. When I ask people why they do what they do, they invariably say, I want to help people. Great, we all want to help people. We all want to serve others. I get to teach people what they're capable of by creating the lives they want to live. Connectivity is how we can do all that. It's exactly why clients hire me to come in and teach their teams and share with their audiences the infinite value and possibilities when we dive deep into connecting with other people. We start with knowing our why, our own purpose in doing what we do. Then we get into the everyday reality, how to connect with other people one at a time in our real lives. The expertise I share is enhanced with years of customer insight, research, and experiences so your audiences can take what they learn and apply it right away. Why is everyone talking about connecting and connections right now? And why does connectivity even matter? It matters because we're all hungry for connection, to have that genuine feeling of connection with another living, breathing human, to get off the screens and devices and to engage in the feelings that come with being connected with each other. Look, we're all busy. Connecting helps us make our busyness meaningful. To be clear, connecting isn't networking, and it's not technology. It's altogether different, and those are just two of the many insights I teach. Connecting requires time and energy. Major benefits of connectivity include you get much better at and more effective at creating and developing the relationships you want with the time and energy you're already using. It builds confidence and competence to help people tackle and accomplish what they really want to. Don't leave your team and business development to shallow networking tactics. Ditch the pitch. Skip the surface level events and start building real connections. Organizations who learn how to tap into, utilize, and master connectivity experience meaningful impact. For example, if you're in sales, you'll learn how to start a conversation that can actually move towards serving someone. It's not about overcoming objections or being pushy. It's about service. Serving leads to sales and increased reach by focusing on connecting with one person at a time. If you're part of an HR team, you'll be able to better and more effectively get to know your entire team, from candidates seeking employment to the highest levels of your organization. Your connections will be stronger, more resilient, and frankly, a lot more fun, all by practicing and improving your connecting skills. If you're a conference organizer or you hire speakers for events, you'll get a memorably enthusiastic speaker teaching real-world insights guests can apply even before they leave the room. Like a client of mine told me, connectivity is transformational. People want positive change. They want the transformation of living a meaningful, enriching life that only connectivity can afford. I bring expertise, entertainment, high energy, and a bit of humor to a topic that people are still learning to fully understand and utilize. My job is to make your job easier, to be the one to help your people fully engage and connect with what they learn, to be the one audiences gain effective and specific knowledge from that they're fired up to apply right away. Connectivity is meaningful, it's real, it's truly human to human, and it's a skill, one that can be taught and developed. That begins in our time together. Those who learn to be connectors own the future. Let's work together to create and develop a meaningful life, changing the world one connection at a time.